Hi everyone, I'm Anna Morven. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make wrap-and-turn short rows. Short rows are also known as partial rows or turning rows. Short rows are used to shape darts, ear flaps, necklines, sock heels, shoulders, to raise the back of your neckline. This method to wrap and turn prevents holes along the short rows you make. I will show you it flat and in the round. This T, the back neckline of this T was raised by short rows. So as you can see, there is stitches of knit stitches which increase to the back. And this is how much my back is raised due to the short rows. These swatches represent also partial rows. This is in the round. This is like the small version of, for example, this T. This is the neckline, and this is the short rows, red ones, which are raising up the back of our neckline, you see? And this is flat, and this reminds a heel of a sock, isn't it? You see, it has a volume, so it could be a sock heel, it could be a bust darts. Yeah, I will show you how to make this all. Short rows are made flat or back and forth. Even if you knit in the round, you do the wrap on the last stitch of your short row. Let's do it flat first. Here I started already, and I was making short rows with a different color, the red, so you will see the progress and the shaping. And those stitches, those are wrapped stitches. Here's also. Those stitches were wrapped on the right side of the fabric, and those wraps were made from the wrong side of the fabric. So let's see how it's being made on the right side. Usually instructions tell us knit till 2 stitches, for example, before your last wrap, and do another wrap. So here is 2 stitches before the wrap. Yes, and also you see there is a gap, which we will fill later. There is a gap, and then goes the wrap stitch, so you can recognize them easily. So let's make the wrap on the right side. Slip the stitch purlwise on your right needle and bring your yarn on front. Then put the stitch back on the left needle and bring this yarn back to the back. We made the wrap, you see, here it is. And after this we are turning our knitting, and we are ready to purl from the first stitch. Let's do it once more. So we are having our yarn on back as usual when we are knitting, when we are making knit stitches. We slip the first stitch on the left needle to the right needle purlwise. Then we bring yarn to front. Then we bring the stitch back to the left needle And then we bring this yarn to the back, making a wrap around the stitch. Turn our knitting and purling. And usually you purl as much as you need. Right here I'm finishing my short rows, so let's see how the wrap is being made from the wrong side. So we are having our yarn on back as usually when we are making purl stitches. Slip this first stitch from the left needle to the right needle purlwise. Bring the yarn to back. Slip the stitch back to the left needle and bring this yarn to front. So we made a wrap of this stitch. Let's do it once more. With the yarn on front, slip purlwise first stitch on the left needle. Bring the yarn on the back, slip the stitch back on the left needle, bring the yarn on front. Turn your work. On the first regular row, when we finished with short rows, you're picking up your wrapped stitches and working them together with the wrapped stitch to avoid a hole. Here is our wrapped stitch. So we pick up this wrap with our right needle from front to back and place it to the left needle. And then we just regularly knit this stitch. Another wrapped stitch. Pick up from front to back, put it on the left needle and knit them together. Regular one, wrapped one. Pick up from front to back, put it on the needle and knit them together. And you see this wrap, it's like dropping on the back, it's hidden. We do not see it. Another wrap stitch. And another wrap stitch. From back to front, put it on the left needle and knit them together. Then let's see how those stitches, how the wrapped stitches are made on the wrong side, on the purl side of your work. So we pick up this wrap from back to front, put it on the left needle and purl those two stitches together. Look, and there's another wrapped stitch. So we pick up this purl from back to front and purl them together. Another wrapped stitch. Pick it up from back to front. Here we go. Another wrapped stitch. Pick up the wrap from back to front and knit them together, purl them together. And the last one, wrapped stitch. So we resolved all the wrapped stitches and we avoided holes. When you knit short rows in the round, you knit it flat, whatever, having the right and wrong sides and doing exactly the same as I showed you just before. But picking up the stitches after all the short rows are done is a bit different. It's a bit different for this part where stitches were wrapped from the wrong side. This is this right side of our fabric. So let me show you how to resolve them. So this is the first stitch that was wrapped from the wrong side. We pick it up from front to back, put it on the left needle. Then we need first having our stitch, actual stitch, slip it knitwise, slip wrap purlwise. Insert our left needle through front loops of these two stitches and knit them together. The wrap hides on the back of the actual stitch. So pick it up from front to back, put it on the left needle, then slip the stitch knitwise, slip the wrap purlwise, insert left needle through front loops of these two stitches and knit them together. And the last one. Pick it up from front to back, put it on the left needle, then slip. Need to change them places. Here we go. So slip, slip, insert, knit. That's all for today. Thanks for watching it. Follow my channel for more tutorials. Have a great day. Goodbye.